Conflicting reports of a very disturbing story that is emerging about a murder of a 28-year-old man in Bulandshahr just earlier. The victim's wife alleges that the murder was orchestrated by her family who had opposed their marriage.
West Bengal, where it doesn't get more gory and more horrifying than this. A man walked into a police station carrying the head of his sister that he had just severed from her body with a sword.
महानगरी मुंबई में हॉरर किलिंग का सनसनीखेज मामला सामने आया है। बेटी के प्रेम संबंध से नाराज एक पिता ने उसका कत्ल कर दिया। हैरानी की बात यह है कि इस काम में उसकी दूसरी बेटियों ने भी उसका साथ दिया।
अपनी 13 साल की बेटी का गला दबाकर हमेशा के लिए उसे खामोश कर दिया।
Politicians across party lines have condemned the incidents. Politicians across party lines have condemned the incident.
There's nothing wrong in what my son has done. That was the father of one of the boys suspected of having killed 3 people, including his sister and brother-in-law, all in the name of honor.
On a killing in Haryana, 2 lovers aged 20 were murdered and their bodies were hung in the...
Terrible story that's come in from Kolkata in what seems like a clear case of honor killing. Man beheaded his younger sister. He did it in full public glare.
Another shocking case of honor killings that has emerged this time in Chennai.
And the law takes its own course. And the law takes its own course.
We are not illiterate people, we are very much educated people.
And the law takes its own course.
Got you. Got you. Got you. They got you. Poor little bastard, so insecure, cause you had the balls to be so sure. Laugh out loud, the joke's on them. They're the ones with shame. They thought they were saving face, but they're only saving disgrace. To hell with tradition, to hell with honor. Love's the religion that you're ever gonna believe in. You better believe it. No one's ever gonna kill it. You better believe it. To hell with tradition, to hell with honor. Love's the religion that you're ever gonna believe in. You better believe it. No one's ever gonna kill it. You better believe it.